what is your name?
I'm Gemma Suplito.
How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, one.
How old?
7 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
I've been working in Hong Kong for 2 years.
Okay, do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Singapore.
How many years?
I'm working there for 7 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
Now it's 2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Lantau Island.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
700.
How many family member there?
3.
How many children?
1.
How old?
3 years.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
Wake up for about 7 o'clock in the morning and waiting for the kids to wake up, then bring to school and come back and do house cleaning and picking up by afternoon.
Okay, so do you go market?
Sometimes.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Yes.
So what time you go, what time they eat?
Around 7 or 7:30.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
Some 11, 10:30 or 11.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.